everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Well, the weather is really nice here. It's quite warm. I just have like a shirt on, and yeah, the weather's starting to get really nice. I'm so happy. I don't know how long it's gonna last because I remember a few weeks ago I was bragging about how nice the weather was, and then all of a sudden it changed. So I'm out and waiting for my daughter to come home or come out of tennis practice, and then I'm gonna go home. I just got a box of Zara clothes, so I can't wait to try on something new. I haven't bought anything for so long now, so I'm kind of looking forward to trying on some spring clothes, and yeah, I want you guys to join me, so stick around. Until then. Hey everybody, I'm back, so ready to unbox my Zara box. So I got a very big box and I have not bought anything for a long time clothes wise. So actually this whole year I have not bought any clothes. I'm so proud of myself. So I saw some really cute outfits by Zara, and I thought, Zara. Okay, so it's so fun. I like to do the unboxing, so I'm gonna put it down a little bit so you can see my first big unboxing. Almost like you got a present coming in. And of course, typical Zara packaging. Okay, so we'll see how this looks. I don't know. I thought it looked cute online. You know, the models, I mean, they always make the outfits look really cute, so we'll see how it fits. Got a size small. Yes, I got a size small, so we'll see if I can fit in a size small. My weight always goes up and down. So it looks like this, long skirt. And, wait a second. And they sent me two? Did that happen? They sent me two skirts. Okay. Definitely an accident. I get some shoes. I'm gonna go without water now. Oh yeah, I did. I got these clogs, right? They're about €129. They're leather, of course. They're cute. We'll see how they look. I don't know. Always online they look really cute, and then you try them on in person, sometimes it's not the same. Okay, I'm gonna try it on first. I'm not ordered here. Oh right, yes, I ordered, yes, okay. Right, I ordered this like long hippie dress. I thought that was really cute, very sexy. So, okay, I'm gonna try it on. And, oh wait, yeah, I thought this was cute. These are like jewelry for your legs. They look really cute with the shoes on. You have it combined with the shoes, the clogs, and it looked really cute. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the first outfit on. think it's cute. It's definitely, yes, it's typical Zara. The skirt fits really tight, very nice and snug. And of course I got some Zara pumps on. Look really nice, but definitely gives you a really nice figure. And of course you got the open shoulder, so it's really quite sexy, I think. You know, sexy but clean, nice, not too over the top. Yeah, I like it. I think it's a keeper. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the other dress or other outfit I got from Zara. It's really cute. Little bohemian look. It's a really long dress. I hope you guys can see. And here I got the clogs on that I ordered. But it definitely gives you a nice figure in this dress, and yeah, and I like the décolleté here. That looks really nice, how it kind of drapes down. So it looks really sexy, and the color brown is, it's a color for me that will never go out. The only thing is when I'm walking in these clogs, which are these guys, I mean, they look really nice. I don't know, I feel like one side slides up a bit, so that kind of bothers me. So probably gonna have to walk around for a while to see if I can, you know, tolerate that, or if it's gonna bother me. I mean, right now I guess I can walk in it, but it's like loose. I don't know. One side fits nice and snug and the other side fits a little bit loose. Now this dress, I think it retails for 89 euro. So usually the prices are quite the same in US dollars. It's probably like $89 or 90, 89 I'm sure, it's probably the same. And the shoes are 129. So if you're gonna get the shoes, then you should be like 100% sure that you wanna pay it. But I mean, there's some good leather wooden shoes. I mean, clogs, I mean, for me, clogs are like endless. They always will stay in style for me, so yeah, I kind of like it. I mean, I like the purchase. They're both different. This part right here, I mean, this part right here, I don't understand that. I think that's a little bit unnecessary, but overall the dress is cute. So I wouldn't recommend wearing this dress out if you go out to eat and you have the type of stomach that sticks out after you eat. I mean, mine is definitely like that. So if you're gonna wear this dress, then put on a waist trainer, but just make sure you don't see the panty lines, because it's that silky type of stretchy material, very nice, but you can definitely see every mark and stuff, or not mark, but imprint. I don't know if you see that from my underwear. So that part, yeah, I mean, but overall it's a beautiful dress and great for the summer, and I like the split here. I think it's really nice, very sexy. So ooh. So let me see, I'm gonna see if I can do another view for you all, so I can show you how it looks. Okay, hey, so yeah, so now you get a better view of how it looks like in full length. I probably should have done the other outfit like that, gone down to the mirror downstairs. But as you see, look, I have some thin underwear on, but you can see it in one sense. But I don't know, I just take care. But in general, it's a really pretty dress. And these are the shoes. Yeah, and I wanted to try on the leg jewelry that goes with it. Yeah. I mean, I like it. I think it's cute. I'm definitely not going to send it back. I'm definitely going to keep it because it's a nice dress for the summertime. And like I said, I think this is really cute, how it drapes down. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so this is the what do you call it? The jewelry for the legs. It's cute. I'll take it off with the shoes. Looks like this. I mean, it's neat. It's neat, but I don't know. I must say that the moment, like when I stand up, then it slides down. So I don't know how they were able to. Okay, now it's not sliding down. Well, we'll see. Yeah, basically it looks like that. I think it's cute, but you really have to tie it. You have to be kind of smart with tying it. You know, it's a bit tricky. Okay, now it's staying up. Before I had tied it and it slid down. But yeah, as you see, it's cute. It's very feminine, very bohemian looking. And it fits to the brown dress. So, however, I wouldn't wear them with the clogs though, because you take away the feature of, you see the beads there? And once you put that big clog over it, yeah, it's gone. So I would leave it, yeah, kind of like that, and put some cute little flip-flops on, some plain ones on. Or, you know, just walk around the beach with them. I mean, they're very feminine and very sexy, I think so. Yes. So, I hope you all enjoyed the little Zara try-on haul. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I will put the links down at the bottom for the items. It's a new collection, so it still should be in the shops. I mean, these are cute pieces, so I would say hurry up and get yours before it goes. And I would say it's very much so worth it. So yeah, anywho guys, until then, till next time, bye.